Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's GS the Kid. I want to talk to you guys about how I went from becoming a horrible, lazy, never on time barber who was just a service provider to expanding into an entrepreneur and image consultant worthy of bringing in 15, 20K plus a month from behind the chair. So I'm going to take you guys and show you how you can do this as well. Super, super, super simple. Most of you guys right now are what I like to call Barber 1, right? Barber 1 is late. He doesn't talk to his clients. He assumes this client knows what he wants from last time, and he forgot everything from the previous week or whenever he cut their hair last, okay? Barber 1 is a lazy loser. Barber 1 is not deserving of 15K a month. I'm going to keep this video very concise because time is money and money is now, okay? I want you guys to develop into Barber 2. Barber 2 is super charismatic. He's always on time. As soon as someone walks into the shop, he walks over there regardless of what he's doing. He shakes his hand, he daps them up, he calls them by their first name. He makes sure they felt heard. Listen, guys, what is missing in 2025? Nobody feels like they have a good friendship or relationship with someone. They need a leader, right? Because community is non-existent anymore, right? Everyone just scrolls on their phone the whole day. Everyone's a broke loser, okay? So here's the thing. In 2025, it's easier than ever before to create an amazing relationship with your client to the point where they're so loyal that they will not leave you ever, all right? You want a cult-like clientele base. You need to have your own cult of clients. Super, super simple. When you go on a vacation, they'll wait for you. They'll pay you extra to come back early. They will never leave you for another barber ever again. I guarantee you 100,000%. Listen, I got your back for life. It's GS the Kid, and I'm going to show you how we can do this for you, okay? Let me share my screen one more time and walk you through how to become from Barber 1 to Barber 2. So Barber 1, why is he late? He's late because he doesn't see the value of the clients. Maybe he's complacent with his income. Maybe he doesn't believe he's built for more. Or maybe he's just a loser, right? I mean, he is obviously a loser. You are a loser if you do this to your clients. Your clients are paying their money that they spent their time, right, which is more valuable than money. Because if I told you right now I'd give you $1 billion, but you couldn't wake up tomorrow, most of you guys would say no. If you say yes, that's a separate problem that we need to handle, right? But that's not related to this, okay? So, guys, Barber 1, he's lazy and he's a loser because he assumes the client is just going to keep going to him. But he's not, right? The client can leave him and go to someone who acts as Barber 2, me. So I dominated my area. Now, let me talk to you guys about a story. This guy locally named Marco, okay? His name is Marco, right? He used to be, sorry, not him. He was always a Barber 2, okay? I left Barber 1, okay, this guy, I'm not going to say his name or anything, because he didn't remember my name. He was always late, smoking weed in the car. He did not know what I wanted to get for my haircut, okay? And he didn't know who I am, what we talked about last time, or anything. I walk in there. I want to show you a picture of what I walked in with, okay, guys? And let me show you. This is extremely simple. I don't want the same thing to happen to you and your clients. I had a horrible experience, and I would never recommend anybody to go to him. I would, in fact, recommend them not to go to him, right? Let me show you something really quick, okay? You want to create a cult-like following. Let me show you a picture. This is what my hair looked like, okay? When I was going to this Barber 2 that I'm talking about. It is extremely, extremely, extremely simple, guys. Look at this, okay? This was my hair. So here, I just found the picture, guys. Drop a sub at this point, okay? Because I'm about to drop you some game. Here it is. This was after Barber 2. Or Barber 1, okay? This was my hair beforehand. You can clearly tell I had a high skin fade. He goes, I sit down in the chair. He goes, "What's up, Jeff?" I'm like, that's not my name. I thought he said something else. Okay. He goes, you want that low taper? As soon as he said that, I'm like, I'm not tipping this guy. I'm never coming back here again. He's also 30 minutes late because he was smoking weed and he was talking trash about his other clients. If a barber is talking bad about his other clients, what does it make you feel like he's gonna do? He's gonna talk bad about you. Now, why would you pay someone your money to go get serviced by them for something they don't even remember what you got last week, meaning they don't care about you? If they don't care about you, how are they gonna care about the haircut? You feel me? And then to just get talked trash about, let's say maybe you run late one time, to other clients. It's insane, right? It doesn't make sense. That's why Barber 2s, hey, listen, Barber 2s are going to take over. This year, we need to become leaders, not service providers, okay? Image consultants and entrepreneurs, not barbers or haircutters. Super simple. How do we develop into this person? Listen, it's 95% personal development, 5% skill. That's everything. Nobody has business problems. They have personal problems that bleed into their business, okay? So guys, we need to do a service checklist. Now, this is my mentorship. This is my academy, GS Takeover Academy. The link is below for you guys to join if you guys want to actually stop being a Barber 1 loser and actually make money, get to 10K, 15K a month. Join through that link right now. All right, it's super affordable, just a couple haircuts of your time. Now, back to the video. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this far in the video. It's GS the Kid. I get tons of comments and DMs every single day asking, hey GS, I want help with this, I want help with that. Here is the easiest way to reach me. Then reach out to my Instagram at GS the Kid, DM me, and I will respond to you and spam me until you get a response. Listen, I got your back for life. Take action or reach out. Let's get it. Stop playing. Back to the video, guys. Barber 2 here. He's super charismatic, always on time. As soon as someone walks in, he walks across to go dap them up, regardless of whether he's with a client or not, showing that he cares. He remembers what haircut they got last week. He remembers their conversation. He remembers that you played that soccer game. You won the soccer tournament. Whatever it is, he remembers. He makes you feel like a friendship. Guys, if you don't create professional friendships and relationships with your clients, they don't feel obligated to stay with you. If you go on a vacation, they go to some other barber, the other barber does treat them like how a barber 2 does, you lose the client. Hey guys, let me show you how much each client's worth to your business, even at low rates. Let's assume you're only charging $30 a cut. They come every week, 30 times 52, your client's worth $15.60 per year. Hey, listen, is investing a certain amount to learn the skill set to make sure we never lose a client again worth more than even losing one client per year? Yes, it is. Join the mentorship. But guys, look at that. If you lose each client, it's $1,600 gone to your business. For what? For being a loser, right? We need to level up and evolve. Because guys, I want you to get every single client in your business. I don't want you to lose a single client ever again. So I'm going to teach you the word track on how to keep your clients. Going to give you some free game from inside of the program. Super, super, super simple. Okay? Here it is. Client walk-in. Hey, what's up, Jeff? It's great to see you again, man. What are we doing today? That's when you walk over there and say hi to them. Hey, what's up, Jeff? Good to see you again. Boom. First time client. Hey, Jeff, first time here? I got you, bro. We're going to get you looking clean. Just sit on the couch real quick. I'm going to finish up, and I'm going to take care of you and service you to the highest levels that are important to you. Understood? Boom. Sit them down, okay? Next thing, when they come in the chair, how you been, bro? Bro, I see that Rolex on you, bro. I love that, bro. I was thinking about getting one. Where'd you get it from? Oh, okay. Right. Last cut. Oh, yeah, I see that cut right there, bro. Yeah, I know exactly what we're going to do. We're going to make you look even better. I got your back. Something like that, making them more confident. Let me give you one more thing, guys. People don't remember what you say. They remember how you make them feel. I don't care if you, whatever, you stutter a lot and talk to Jeff. If you make him feel like a gangster, you make him feel like a 10 out of 10, like a supermodel when he walks out of there, 10 out of 10 confident he's going to get the job of his dreams, the girl of his dreams. Hey, listen, he's going to remember that for life, and he's going to come back to you every single week. I 110% guarantee you. Do you understand? It's so simple. Make someone feel good, and don't worry so much about what you're saying, right? You can even just, make them laugh, whatever it is, and make them feel much more important. Okay, guys, it's a full mentality shift. I need you guys to realize that everything is your fault all the time. Until I had this mentality shift that everything is my fault all the time, I would lose a client, right? I would lose whatever it is in life. Let's say I lost a client no-showed. It's my fault, right? Everything is my fault all the time, and everything will go wrong all the time. Always have backup plans. If you guys lose a client, it's not the client's fault. It's not their loss. No. It's your loss. I just showed you lost $2,000 to your business. That's no way, and it's just not their loss, right? Okay, you did this or lost this because of you. Super, 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 super simple, okay? What you guys need to do is calculate your churn rate to realize how badly you guys are losing clients right now. We're going to do this calculation right now. So let's say you get 5 new clients a month, and you churn 3 of them, right? So 3 out of 5 clients churn, you have a 60% churn rate. Churn rate is the amount you're losing. That's a horrible churn rate. Your churn rate should be under 5%. If it's not under 5%, then guys, you need to fix this, all right? Apply the stuff I'm teaching in this video and join the program too for more help. All right, so super easy way to fix this is back to that word track. Hey, this is the most important part. Most barbers don't consult their clients properly. Hey, are you trying to keep the haircut sharp for work, or are we trying to do a new style, right? Do you use any product to style your hair, or do you want to do something new today, right? Something like that is really, really important. And guys, this goes back to my upsell video. If you guys haven't seen my upsell video, I'm going to put it in the description. Upselling is how we're going to increase your average ticket price by $30 off of a $30 service. Okay, guys? Build value, right? Remember these topics. Write down a quick note after the haircut. It's so simple because all the barbers are slacking, especially barbers who are older and complacent. Guys, I want to take care of you. Your clients should know that you're going to take care of them and you're going to service them forever. Okay, guys? Super simple. Apply all these, and let me give you some information on the mentorship program real quick for you guys who do want to join. If you don't want to join, hey, no problem at all. then just click off my video, drop a sub, and I'll drop more free game. But guys, we're going to teach you all the clientele getting strategies, get you booked out in a month, teach you how to get clients in non-traditional ways, so not relying on business cards, walk-ins, everything like that. Guys, we're getting it all through social media, okay? We're going to get you first price raise in 30 days guaranteed, okay? And we're going to get you that proper editing content plan, right? Growing your following organically, views and followers your page, showing you what to post, when to post, why you're posting with a plan. We're also going to teach you that full social media game plan, get you going viral, and turn your social media into a clientele printing machine, okay? Can you hire paying clients, driving hours to see you, dominating your local hashtags, and running the area, okay? Also teaching you how to increase your income, all right, with your current clients, growing on all platforms and monetizing, building your personal brand, increasing your ATP, CAV, AC with current clients is what I just talked about, your service thing. And we have weekly calls inside the group, 24/7 one-on-one tech support with me as well, weekly live membership calls, right? And we got a private support group of like-minded people on the same exact journey as you guys. We're open to every single person here. I got your back for life. I'm going to take care of you and service you to the highest levels to get you to 10K, 15K a month. Quick recap. Clientele gaining strategies, proper editing content plan, social media game plan, right? We're going to get you booking 60 plus new clients a month off social media, running your area as well, increasing your income, and we're holding you accountable. Weekly calls every single week. So guys, if you're actually ready to level up your business and you don't want to keep repeating the same mistakes, because no one's ever got successful without a coach, right? No sports player, anything like that. Anyone who wants to make it to the big leagues. Steph Curry didn't get there. You want to make it to the big leagues with barbering if you're on this video, because you don't want to be barber one who's an average barber, right? So guys, join up the program. Super affordable, 150 a month or 300 for the year until I raise the price. DM me at GS the Kid. Any questions on Instagram? But yeah, drop a sub for more content. I love you guys. I got your back for life. I'm gonna take care of you. Let's get it.